How are you guys? Miss Henschel here. I'm going to teach you how to rotate on the coordinate plane. This is my first time recording like this, so I'm hoping that it works. All right, so what I have here is just a couple little reminders from the notes that you just took, is that each time you move your paper, it's going to be 90 degrees that you're moving it. Remember also that if you turn to the right, you're moving clockwise. It's like the clock that you see on the wall. And then if you go left, that is counterclockwise. So my very first example here is that it says rotation 180 degrees about the origin. Okay, so it does not say clockwise or counterclockwise. It doesn't say one of those directions, because if you go 180 degrees, you're going to just move your paper twice. So essentially this triangle, A, B, and C, will end up over here. But I am doing this video because I have a shortcut way to show you. Instead of using all those rules that you saw in some of the videos, all you need to do is take your paper, it's straight up and down, so each time you move your paper, it's going to be 90 degrees. That's what I meant up here. Each time you move your paper is 90 degrees. So I'm going to rotate it once to the right, so the writing is on the side on the right, and then you move it one more time, and therefore your paper is upside down. It's upside down because you moved it 2 times, which is 180 degrees. That's what the actual question indicated. So what I tend to do here is we are going to write on the side of your problem, A, B, and C. These are now going to be your primes. So you're reading your graph literally upside down. You're looking at the numbers the same exact way. You have your origin in the middle, positive 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. To the left are the negatives, -1 all the way to -5. And then on your y-axis, going down is negative, and then going up is positive. So you're reading the graph, the coordinate grid, the exact same way that I've always taught you. So I'm looking at point A first. So I got 1, 2, 3, 3, 0. 3, 0. Okay, looking at point B. Point B, I am going 1, 2, and down 1, 2, 3. So 2, -3. 2, -3. And then looking at point C, I have 0, -1. 0, -1. All right, so once again, just to recap what I did, I turned my paper 2 times, so it's totally upside down. Okay, I looked at the graph the way it is. I got all my 3 prime locations, so now I'm moving my paper back. Of course, your paper is going to be bigger than mine. And then what you simply do is take the points we just looked at. So A prime is going to be 3, 0. 1, 2, 3, 0. That's A prime. B prime is 2, -3. 2, -3. B prime. And then C is 0, -1. 0, -1 is your C prime. And guess what? This is your rotated triangle going from point A, B, C to prime, A prime, B prime, C prime. It went 180 degrees. Just another little note is that if anything goes 180 degrees, it's going to be exactly across from it in quadrants. So if it started over here, then it would end up over here. Okay, or if it started here, it would end up over here. So diagonally across from it is moving that paper 2 times, which would be 90, plus 90, which would be 180. I hope that helped you a little bit.